Woke up to rain on my window, coffee gone cold on the table, your side of the bed still untouched. I reach in the dark and I miss us. Wish you were here to chase this rain away. Wish you were here to hear the things I never say. If you were lying right beside me, every cloud would fade to blue. Wish you were here to bring the sun back, bring the sun back. 'Cause every ray of light was always you. Pulled on your sweater just to feel you. Caught your laugh in a memory too. Talk to your picture like you'll answer. Tell me, do you feel this distance too? Wish you were here to chase this rain away. Wish you were here to hear the things I never say. If you were lying right beside me, every cloud would fade to blue. Wish you were here to bring the sun back, bring the sun back. 'Cause every ray of light was always you. Maybe this storm is trying to teach me how much I need you, more than I knew. But all that I want right now, this evening, is one quiet smile and your arms around me. Wish you were here to chase this rain away. Wish you were here to hear the things I never say. If you